I'm just doing a quick charts of interest video for my own interest. I've got 2 weeks to go till the end of my trading year, which is not this Friday but next Friday. And if all goes well, I should end the year with double my best personal profit ever. So as long as I don't do anything stupid, and in the next 2 weeks, that is. So the VIX pulled back on the good. There's a beat on the payrolls, so that caused a bit of risk activity to come back on again. And we see in the S&P 500 put in a reversal here back to the upside on the 4-hour. It's still in a reversal, still just in a consolidation at the moment on the daily. The MACD's crossed down, so and E-mini on the intraday, you can see that was a short there and that was a long there on the reversal. And it's interesting to note that this found resistance here at the point where I showed the short entry. That often, I've seen that so many times where that will act as a resistance level. So it's just something I like to notice on the charts. It wasn't a technical level, it was just the entry level that I've seen that so many times, as I said. And I've got junk bonds. Junk bonds recovered off that off that daily here, so off that daily trend line here. So it's a distribution at the moment still, and it's tightening up. And the junk bonds here, so it's going to be interesting to see how this finishes up. Oil still in a distribution here. It's heading up towards to test this resistance here, so it's going to be interesting to see what it does. It's been very nice trading on the intraday template oil, and the DAX is just on the 100. DAX tested the 100 on the 4-hour here. It tested the 100 twice now, so the daily still crossed out here on the daily, so just see what that does. But I'm not trading the DAX at the moment. The Nikkei, not trading this at the moment either. This is on a tight range here. It's just sitting above the Kijunsen. It tested the Kijunsen here, and here. So it's just testing that now, that resistance there. Seeing what that does. Gold's been down a bit because of the US dollar Jappy. US dollar Jappy is not moving much, so gold's not moving much at the moment in either direction. It's just in a consolidation here on the daily, so up below the Kumo though. But, what's the weekly like actually while I'm here? Yeah, the weekly MACD still got pretty good momentum to the downside yet, so it's certainly not looking like much buying it there at the moment. But and US dollar index, it's put in a bit of a reversal here at the moment on the 4-hour. Got a bit overextended to the downside, but it's a distribution here on the daily. Euro pound broke down. Euro pound broke this key support level here, and it's pushing down at the moment. So this has been good. This has been a downtrend continuation here. And below that support, the key support right back here, it was a key support. Looked like it was going to hold, and then it broke through. So that was an interesting one. US dollar Swissy, that's in a tight distribution here at the moment. US dollar Swissy, it's bounced off that support here, and you can see it on the 4-hour. It's heading up towards the Kijunsen on the daily. Pound CAD has been strong. Pound's been up, so we've got a lot to watch this week ahead with the pound, obviously. And NZ CAD, is NZCAD had a real strong breakout here on the daily. A little bit overextended now, but it's interesting to see what happens there with NZCAD. But it's been a good one. NZUS been overextended a bit here. It's had a rip on this breakout here, so a bit well overextended from the 100 on the 4-hour here. Australian CAD. Australian CAD's heading up towards this resistance here again. It's a distribution, of course, on the daily. That's been a good one. Euro Jappy, that's heading down off this. It's in this distribution still. It's heading down and got rejected off the trend here. It's turned down, so that's been a nice one on the intraday. This pound Aus dollar is still strong because of the pound strength, obviously. And NZ Jappy, oops, missed a few there. Oops, NZ Jappy, that's right. NZ Jappy is strong also. That's been a good one. It's been an uptrend on the daily after it broke out here. It's still traded on the intraday anyway. Pound Swiss, that's been a breakout of that consolidation there. That's been a nice one. Pound Swissy, Euro US. Euro US is still stuck in this distribution here. So it's turning down, it's turning back down towards the support here at the moment. And Aus dollar NZ has been just ripping to the downside here at the moment because of the stronger NZ. The NZ dollar's been very strong at the moment, so that's going to be interesting to see. It's very overextended at the moment. The Kijunsen's flattened out there. You would expect this to find a support here at some point, but I'm not sure what the weekly was like on this. I can't remember now. Weekly, oh yeah, the weekly's still got strong momentum to the downside. That's a weekly. It's a weekly support right here, which it's on at the moment. So it's going to be interesting to see if that holds there on that. So see how it goes this week. That might be. It's getting very thin volume down. If you look at the volume profile, it's very thin volume down here. So that could be a potential support level there. But interesting to see what happens with that. Anyway, make it a quick one today, and I'm only going to be doing videos till next Friday, the 20th of December. That's the official end of my trading year, and after that, after the 20th, I just trade off the intraday template then, and I don't trade any options or anything after the 20th of December. I just run my algorithms for the Forex and trade the E-mini and oil on my intraday template. That's all what I'll be doing over the break. I'll come back in the new year. I'm not sure if I'll keep making videos or not. I'll have to see. But anyway, that's it for now. Bye.